Well, I'm back in Portland, Oregon, and yeah, I got a lot of stuff to do today. My video camera equipment broke from my last trips and stuff. I know I haven't made a video in a long time, but I haven't really shown you guys a lot around Portland here. I kind of want to show you the area and kind of like what I do and stuff. So today we're just gonna run a couple errands, and this hair is getting out of control, and I think I'm gonna shave it all off. So let's go shave off my head. I got some packages delivered. A lot of you guys ask me, like, what do you do for work? How do you even make money? I'm delivering some Amazon packages today, and I guess it's a little bit more complicated, but let's go ahead and go out through the day. Let's go have fun like we normally do, and I'll kind of explain to you how I make a little bit of money on the side. So let's go. Okay, so I'm getting a lot of errands done that I need to get done, and I kind of want to talk a minute about Amazon FBA. Now, Amazon FBA is how I make the majority of my money in this world, but Amazon FBA is a little bit different than your normal program. So back in the day, if you ever sold anything off eBay, you probably know what I'm talking about. You put something up for sale online, someone buys it, and then you ship it out, and hopefully, they leave a review. Well, with Amazon FBA, it takes out you shipping out any inventory. Back in the day, I've had my own warehouse with my own employees, with my own inventory, and it was just, I had to do my own customer service. Amazon FBA takes all that away. So you pretty much get to have your own products imported to their Amazon stores. They fulfill it, they do the customer service, and you get a paycheck. And you can decide when you want to get your money out of that and whatnot. So if you can find something in China or find something, inventory wise for like really cheap, and then get it on Amazon for 10 times that amount, that's a profit right there. So what I do is I help people source products from China. I look at the competition, because sometimes, like, if you're going to try to sell like soap, there's like Johnson & Johnson, there's big companies trying to sell soap. Like, you better have a very unique kind of soap if you want to sell on Amazon. So I see if it's saturated. Now, I do keyword research to see how many people are looking up this term a month, and to see if it'll even be profitable. That's where the real skills come in. But if you're trying to start up a business and you got an extra $1,000, $2,000, it's nice, because that $1,000, $2,000 over time, over anywhere from a couple months to even a year, can turn into $10,000, $20,000 depending on what you're selling. Now, I can't tell you what I'm selling, because if I can do it, then trust me, you can do it. And I don't want a bunch of competition, because every product that I sell is very niche, and a niche is just like very, like, a niche would be crocheting, right? So like grandmas that crochet, that's like a very niche thing. Only a small group amount of people do that. So that's how I make an extra little bit of money, and that's why you saw me bringing the packages to the UPS store, because I literally package them together. I put the barcodes on them, because you can't just send merchandise to Amazon. Amazon doesn't do it that way. They have a very particular way. So I also help people do that. So if you're interested in, you got a couple extra $1,000 and you want to get some money coming in every single week on Amazon, I can show you how. We're gonna go back to the house now, and we're gonna chop off this hair, dude. I am so sick of it. I am so sick of this hair, dude. I cannot stand it anymore. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's too much. It's summer. It's not really working well with the ladies. So, but yeah, Amazon FBA is a great way to start. Wow, get real fucking, really, you almost hit my fucking car, dude. This thing's a fucking relic, dude. You ever been in the 90s? You fuck, these don't even exist anymore. I'm driving a fucking unicorn, you fuck. Anyhow, Amazon FBA is great if you're looking to get some extra cash. I understand, like, sometimes the capital is really hard to obtain, because sometimes if you want to sell a $50 item, you're gonna have to spend at least $10 on it, sometimes even more. And so that's kind of where it comes in. That's why I like small, lightweight stuff, because Amazon has a special program called Small and Light, where you can literally save a bunch of money if you're shipping smaller products. And it's a good way just to even get your feet wet before you start making, start selling toasters or something crazy. Okay, that is my day so far. I got a lot of work to do, so I got to get going and doing it. But thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Check me out on iTunes, Spotify, all that jazz. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.